Let's say hello, Cocol.
Hello.
You have to say hello, Cocol. Hello, Cocol. And what we have here, we are, what is this, October 31st?
October 31st.
This is post-production of Fish Out of Water, and we're thinking about installing the leftover panels from the show in Roop. The panels survived the show really well, and ooh, there they are. And so we're now playing with them in Roop Hall, as opposed to Roop Hall. Oh yeah, are you doing something from the ground? Looks cool.
No, I'm taking pictures of the floor to do something with.
Ah. I'm just trying to document the order of these so that we have it before we start. I'm going to move backward because I can't, believe it or not, I can't even get them all in one shot. And that surely doesn't help.
See, the floor looks like Google Map.
The floor does look like Google. Hola.
Hola. Yeah, I think we got it.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay, so we have a lot of swirls now. This is the piece that's now new in this, and it all seems to, with this extra piece from the original. And the reason we could do that was because of this. Oh, wow. All the pieces that didn't have any curves in them being lined up. Sort of back up and see if I can get them. Oh, I can't get them all in. Yeah. Now, obviously, the chairs are just there to hold them in place. But they're really working over there. And then there's this thing. And then we just have these little pieces that are left, which we can use somewhere else. And then we have one lonely piece that's left that we think kind of works. I mean, like that's kind of cool, but kind of either wants to work as a 4-foot piece and a 4-foot piece, but together it just doesn't, it's so telling you look to go one way or the other. Because I kind of like it that way best. Maybe when we do our production of Schmidt and Jones's Celebration. Now, so everything else is being used right now.
Even my favorite piece?
Given your favorite, which is your favorite piece?
I think it's that one, yeah.
That one. The one on the left?
The one on the left.
Yeah.
I just love that.
I think, actually, this is one of my favorites.
You know what I dislike?
You don't like the one in the middle?
No, the thing I dislike is the fact that it doesn't have the same hand.
You mean
I love
right in
the
here.
piece itself.
Yeah, but I really love where's my finger? Right, this, how this continues.
Oh, no, together.
Yeah.
With this, I love both pieces. I don't think that they're the most successful because of how they were about the first ones to be made. And so I can see the lines.
Or you mean the construction of them?
The construction of them. That's what I don't like about it. I love them, but I don't like the construction so much. And the fact that we were anxious and they're not very deep.
Right, because you didn't know how much was going to eat away.
Yeah, exactly. Whether it was going to eat away later. Or
What do you like the gap in between? I do.
I do like a gap in between.
I mean, maybe a little
those
more.
ones.
I don't know. Well, this one's about. This gap's about
That's about 4 inches.
4 inches, 5 inches. I don't know about this one. What have I got going? Maybe a little, about the same, a little less. I don't want to risk, but I feel like if they're connected to each other somehow,
Yeah.
it lessens it. So, anyway, well, that's pretty cool. And what I'll do is, I'll show this video to Adlai and Becky and see what they think of the 12-foot square with all the swirls. So this would be the bottom, but this would only be, you know, a foot off the ground or so, and then, yeah. Well, I'm gonna, just before we finish, I'm just gonna take this off for a second. And show everybody what it's like without. That really works too. Doesn't really need it. Very interesting. And then we'll see what this is like. This was the sort of Lancaster side. Yeah. And this was the, no, sorry. That was the weak side. This is the Lancaster side. Very interesting.
Okay, I got a good record of it.
Cool. Okay, bye.